Being a trial attorney is a lot like being a skilled chess player. You need to be thinking 5 steps ahead. And that means that when you're at that jury trial stage, even though it's early on at that point, we're already thinking about, well, what does this mean after the verdict comes down, including the appeals process and what may come after that. So an appeal occurs when one party loses at the trial stage and basically thinks that it was due to some sort of error with the trial court. And so they go to a higher court and say, higher court, this was an error that was committed, we need you to reverse it. That way we can go back and try the case again. And that can occur sometimes where companies don't want to accept responsibility or are hoping they can just drag this out long enough that maybe a plaintiff will get desperate and will take whatever settlement offer they give them, which is below the verdict that a jury gave them. It's important to hire an attorney who understands the appeals process because it really begins the moment the trial starts. That's the time where we need to be looking out for issues that either could be used on appeal against us should we get a favorable verdict for our client, or on issues that we could use to try to reverse the verdict if it comes down against our client. That way we can get another shot at a jury trial. We at the Simon Law Firm are not only experienced trial lawyers, we're experienced appellate practitioners. We know what the issues are, we know how to strategize around them early on, and we know how to get positive outcomes with those higher courts for our clients. I'm actually involved in an appeal right now where I was able to get a successful verdict for my client from the jury, and this corporation, this company that has been found negligent, has decided to appeal it. So even though 12 members of our community have spent time and their energy looking through this evidence and determining that there was liability, that my client deserves compensation for her injuries, here we are over a year later still trying to slog it out because this company does not want to take responsibility for their wrongdoing. And while it's incredibly frustrating to my client, it's incredibly frustrating to me because she's already been through so much. I'm still gonna fight, I'm still fighting, and I will continue to fight until we get a just outcome for her. I tell my client, we're gonna do whatever you wanna do. You get to make the final say in all of this. We're gonna do what you wanna do, but my advice is let me fight for you. I'm gonna do everything in my power that I can. We've got the full backing of the firm. We have smart attorneys here, and we're gonna take this all the way to the end for you. Don't give up on us now. Now that we've got you this verdict, keep fighting for it. Don't sell yourself short. We keep pushing because it's what our clients deserve.